Hello, this is May's Design Corner, and I am so glad to be doing another DIY, another Dollar Tree DIY for you. I have a large clear plate that I painted black and white. Black shows here and white on the back. And what I want to do is make a DIY decor centerpiece that you could put on a plate holder and decorate the center of your table with. But first, all I want to say that God is real and prayer really, really works. If y'all just get your mind regulated to know that God is in large and in charge, please don't forget to pray. Well, first, what we're going to do, giving honor and thanks to the Lord for putting these thoughts in my mind, these ideas, I'm going to spray this with some cleaner, glass and surface cleaner here. There we go. And I'm going to put this over here, put this out of the way now. And I have a towel here that I'm going to clean this with. Make sure it's good and clean. And I spray painted it with some black first, and then I spray painted it with some white to make the black and white motif on it. Okay, now this is gonna go pretty fast, this video, because I have already made my bowls and I got everything in line for you to see. And I am using my black and white ribbon that I hauled from Michael's. They had it marked down to 70% off, this black and white ribbon. It is Celebrate. And I have some of this that I've been using for my black and white decor as well. And it was 70% off as well. So we're going to get to making this beautiful decor piece. It's going to be for to decorate the middle of your table with. So now we got that all clean, and I'm going to show you how clean and shiny it is. So now we're going to start decorating. You know, I showed you this on another video about these beautiful little flowers here that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I decided to make something that will stand in the middle of your table like this, like a decor, and have it so beautiful, just setting it around there. So I'm going to start putting my bows on, because this is what the main thing is going to be, is these beautiful, beautiful bows. Look at that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little of this right here, and I'm going to cut a piece off about this big, and I'm going to cut 3 of them because I have 3 bows, and I'm telling you why I'm cutting 3, because each one is going to put on here, and then I'm going to glue it on there. I have my glue gun ready, and I'm putting a little glue on here, and I'm sticking it right here on my plate. Okay, right there. And then with that, I'm going to take my bows, which I told you my bows are already made. I made the bows to so I can go ahead and get finished and not take up too much time. I pre-made my bows, okay? I have a very small one to start with, and then a medium-sized one, and then the large one. And I'm going to tape them right here to that. So let me put some glue on that. And I'm going to place it right there. And while I'm going to hold it to make sure it's glued real good. And you see where I've been painting at. I'm always getting stuff on me, but it just, I don't know. I always manage to get something on me. I don't know why, but I do. Okay. So I wanted to make sure that's stuck. When I take my shower, that would go off. Okay. So far, this is what it's looking like. Okay. Now I'm going to take my big white, see, bow, and I'm going to put this in here in the middle right here. I'm going to glue this in. This is just giving it extra security, because to make sure everything is sticking good, we need extra security when we're working with glass and different things. So I'm going to put this here, right there. And then I'm going to put my flower right there. And I want it to look just like this. Now, where is my other bow? Right here. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm trying to make a decision as to what to do. And here, and then here, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I decided that I'm going to put this up here on this like this, okay? So we can go ahead and put some hot glue on it. Right here. And we're going to hold that right there for a minute for it to get glued. When you start out making your DIYs, you start out with one thing and then your mind goes somewhere else because you see another potential that will look even better on your DIYs. So I decided to go ahead and put that white one right there. And I just held it on till it stuck, okay? Make sure it sticks really, really well. And I think that looks beautiful. You think we're going in the right direction? I do too. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one and put it in the middle right here. Okay, let me get the glue and put it right here in the middle. And we're going to stick it down right here on that piece that I put there, okay? Because we are going to make this a centerpiece, and we want this centerpiece to be absolutely stunning. Yes, we do. There we go. We hold that down till it sticks. And in the meantime, while we're holding that down, I want to remind you that God is alive and well. And anything that you need, you just ask God for it. And I promise you, He take care of all of our needs and some of our wants. And you cannot ask for a more perfect God than that. Okay, so now we got that down. I'm praying that it's already down. And now I'm gonna take I'm trying to decide, should I do the black or should I do the gray here and then the black down. Well, we see how that looks. Or should I do the black? I think the gray and then the black and gold could be last. Well, okay, we're going to start by putting the gray in the middle. We're putting our glue on. Make sure we got enough glue on. There we go. And then we're going to hold that on. And I'm not going to have you waiting till that sticks. I'll come back when it's stuck. Okay, so that's stuck really well. So now we're going to stick our last beautiful bow on here. This is going to go on this piece right here. You know, I put that piece there to hold the bow. See on that? So now we're going to stick the last bow right here. So let's just put some hot glue right there. And to make this permanent, y'all, you might need to use some E6000 or either the super glue from the Dollar Tree. That'll make it stick even better, and it'll last a long time. So now we're gonna put the black one on here. Okay. Put this up here like this. And we're going to take the glue and put it around here. Okay, there you go. And we're just going to sit that right in there like that. I'm going to hold it there. And I'm not going to make you wait while it holds. So I'm going to go away. And when I come back, I'll have a setting up. I have a reveal with a setting for you. This is the reveal, and I thank you so very much for staying with me while I made this Dollar Tree DIY. These are the Dollar Tree florals that I put on this centerpiece, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? And I have it all set up for you so you can see how you can set this up. You can either put florals on each side of it, white vase or a black vase, or you can have your cake DIY here as well. And you can have more DIY vases here as well. But for now, I have a setup here with your centerpiece here and your coffee and set up here. I hope you like what I've done for you, and I hope that you make yourself a beautiful centerpiece for your table as well. So this is what it looks like. I want to say thank you again so much, and don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well. And honey, this is God's world. And one thing about it, prayer really, really, really works. May's Design Corner saying, adieu. And God bless you.